Hello there! This video will show you how you can create a good line plot using Microsoft Excel. Not all aspects of every type of graph will be covered in this video. Please refer to the Rules for Graphs website for a more thorough overview of what I expect in a good scientific graph. A link is in the video description. First, open up Microsoft Excel. Type in all of your data. Type all of your x-axis data in one column and your y-axis data in the next column. Select the data. Go to the Insert tab, and under the section labeled Recommended Charts, select the option that looks like a bunch of dots. Under Scatter, select the first option. This will make a line graph. Note that you can see every data point, and there is no connect the dots happening. Connect the dots is a fun game to play, but has no place on a graph. You can then enter your title, axis labels, and units, and change the font size as you desire. If you'd like to include a fit line, click on the data points on your graph, right-click, and select Add Trend Line. Some options will come up. Only select Linear if your data is a straight line. If the data is not linear, which in this case it isn't, you can try the other options to see if you get a better fit. Do not select the moving average option. When in doubt, you can leave the trend line out or print out your graph and draw something in by hand. When you're happy with your graph, you can right-click on the graph and select Save As Picture. This saves your graph as an image that you can then upload to your lab in Gradescope. If you have other questions about your graphs, just let me know. Until next time, stay well.